I am Ivy, the narrator. This time, we will focus on palette knife rough. Let's get started. Tap on any brush. Palette knife rough. Palette knife. Both were compared beforehand. But what's the difference? Add new brushes using drag and drop. These brush marks look as if the canvas has been scraped hard with a palette knife. The left image shows the brush mark at light pressure. So, can we paint in the Bobross style with palette knife rough? I'll give it a go. The pen is used lying down. Video speed is normal speed. Achieving the Bobross touch requires a brush that allows the paint to adhere to the canvas bit by bit. Something feels different. We need palette knives with brush marks like that. Please join us again next time. Otsukar sama deshi ta.